Top military experts have said that the most radical Super Sukhoi upgrade option for India's fleet of Su-30 fighter jets would be to make changes to the airframe to reduce its radar cross-section, and the main drawback of this option is the high cost and the long time it would take to implement the changes. The most realistic option is to replace its passive phased array radar with an active electronically scanned array radar, and integration of the latest Russian and Indian-made electronics, optics and infrared systems without modifications to the airframe. The fastest approach should be to implement the changes in several batches of 50 fighter jets, and each successive batch will incorporate more complex technology, and the upgraded fighter jets in the first batch could later be brought to the technical standard of the latest batches without any major difficulties. Top experts have said that Thailand and Philippines have expressed interest in purchasing the BrahMos supersonic cruise system, but there is a chance that the BrahMos technology might fall in the hands of China, due to the close proximity of these countries. Both countries have been acquiring steady supplies of Chinese defense systems, and have a close relationship with China on the economic and diplomatic front. BrahMos remains India's most potent anti-ship system in the region, which can challenge the Chinese Navy, since it can't be intercepted by any interceptor system, and even the most modern Chinese naval ship is vulnerable to the BrahMos system. According to latest reports, Kalyani Group has completed internal trials of the Ultralight 155 mm 39 caliber howitzer, and it will soon be provided to the Indian Army for user test. The Ultralight howitzer is an all-steel variant that is mounted on a truck for mobility in the mountainous region, and will supplement the M777 howitzers recently procured by the Indian Army. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has laid the keel of the first survey vessel. This new generation survey vessel will have a state-of-the-art survey payload, comprising of autonomous underwater vehicles, remote-operated vehicles, multi-beam echo sounders and other systems, which will prove to be a game-changer in the Indian Navy's capabilities. The Director of Defense Studies at the Center for the National Interest has said that China is still engaged in the theft of sensitive US military technology, including aircraft carriers, C-17 military transport aircraft, advanced surface-to-air systems, drone technology and stealth fighter jet. He also added that the Chinese could dominate artificial intelligence and exploit it for military purposes by 2030. India and the United States are likely to sign the pending third foundational military agreement known as the Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement, during the upcoming 2+2 ministerial dialogue in the US. The agreement will allow India to use US expertise on geospatial intelligence and enhance military accuracy of automated hardware systems and platforms like cruise systems, ballistic systems and unmanned aerial vehicles.